Good afternoon, Web Talkers. This is Chris Armstrong with Web Talk. Let's go inside the matrix today. We are going to do a challenge for July of getting you 1,000 followers. And if you already have 1,000, well, let's go for 2,000. If you already have 2,000, then you're going to know just about everything I'm going to tell you. And let's also get you some points and start building those points, right? So, first thing, first impression. Make sure your profile looks very good, right? Make sure it's professional. You have everything filled out, and then at the second point, if you want to put some movement behind in your profile, if you come to my profile right here, Chris Armstrong, there's a video right here to show you how to do that. Super simple, and hopefully a lot of people have taken advantage of that. Down here also, I have the regular stuff in my profile, and I also have interest, and I put some emojis down here, right? Really simple. On a regular PC, you just hold the window button down and hit the period. It'll pop up a little directory of all the emojis, and then on Apple, they can do it too in a different kind of way. Now let's go down here and look at recommendations. Get some recommendations, and I'll tell you why this is important. First of all, write a nice recommendation to someone else and then ask for it in return. Just don't ask for it. And what's great is at the top of this, who you recommend right here. Anybody who comes to your profile are going to see these names, and they're probably not connected with them. These people right here have a great opportunity to grow their sites as well. Because if your profile looks this good, then there's a good chance that they go, oh, Chris thinks Trish has a great profile. They might go over there and click on one of those and want to connect with them as well. So that's the first thing. Get this all in working order, looking good. Second of all, your news feed. Now, when you go and share a lot of posts, what's going to happen is you're going to have stuff like this in your profile. People want to share your organic stuff, right? So they might have to go down quite a ways to get to something. So every once in a while, when you're done with your sharing and you're leaving or you're stepping away from Web Talk for a while, make sure that you reshare the post like I did just before to bring it back to the top, right? Because they're probably going to look at the first maybe 2 or 3 posts that you've put out because they want to see what you put out. And then this shows that this is right now we're going live as I just posted this. And I wanted to, you want one of your top posts to be sitting right here while you're away, because if you go and share 20 or 30 different posts, then they're going to have to really go far to find some organic posts that you've done, original content for them to share, and that might take a little while. So make sure you have something good at the top while you step away. Look at all these people commenting and just reacting. Bring on the points. So, and one of the other great things that I was going to tell you about on your profile is a great place to put right here. Recommend some of your really good influencers in your tree, in your levels, right? This is a great way for them to help them build their networks too, because they are on your team, right? You want your whole team to work as one and really go far. So let's go peek into the bell here. Go to your notifications. These are people right this minute that are online. I cannot even pronounce this name right here, but I'm so happy that they came on. And obviously, she was shared a post that came to her, and she is not even connected with me. So you have to go check this stuff out as often as you can, because you're going to be able to gain people just like this. I'm going to do it real quick for her. And I'm going to thank her by going, hopefully she's got some content here. Look, where'd she go? We'll go back to her. You want to go to their page, and you want to help them out as well, right? You always want to give back, because they're giving to you and helping you with your points and your influence points. So do the same for them as well. I cannot. Lorraine's back. Cornelia? Thank you so much. I'm shouting you guys out. These are the shout outs I'm giving out because they've also reacted and shared one of my posts. Lorraine has a spotlight post, so that's good for her. So we'll go back and I will click on her spotlight post and also share it. Zaman, awesome. He went to my big post that's been going on. It's got like 200 shares, so I'm shouting you guys out. Renee, she's always around. She's another good person, has great content. So be sure these names I'm calling out. Go check these guys out. Mohammed, hey, how you doing today? Always putting out stuff. There's Margarita Z. Always go see Margarita Z. She's got great content. Help her grow her channel. Shaki, I'm just trying on these names as best as I can, my friends. Michael, okay, hey, Michael. Michael went to my big post. Let's go over there and see what Michael's up to. This is the big post. So if you haven't seen this yet, come on down to the share off. This link is floating around. Thank you, Jesus. And just see how much action is going on just when I'm sitting here and doing these things for you guys. This is the kind of stuff that's going to gain your points. So that's basically it. A nice profile, engagement, and of course, go outside your sphere, find some new people. There's a great way to do it right in your news feed. If you go over to your news feed and go down to people who have viewed your profile, that's one good way to do it. That's Alonzo. That's one good way to do it because you can see who's viewed your page and maybe forgot to connect with you. And also right here, people that you may know. Click on this and dig around here and find you some good influencers that you want to join up and connect with them. The greatest way to go is find someone totally outside of your range. I'm going to put in Texas. Let's see what happens when I get Texas. So I'm already connected with a lot of these people. Sometimes you'll have to dig down deep, but find some people that they're outside of your sphere that have a lot of engagement. Wow, I'm connected to everybody there. So yeah, find someone that is outside of your area. Go to their profile and then help them out. Right? Let's say this Paul. Let's say Paul, he's just starting off, right? So that's a good thing too. If he's just starting off, then just like his thing and say, welcome to Web. Now, as you can see, there was no one else that commented. So maybe that's just enough for him to go, hey, that's my first person. And he'll come over there and give you an attaboy. He'll probably go to your profile and hopefully you get some likes. So that's it, guys. If you stick around, the rest of the time, I'm just going to shout out to my people. And this is what I do. If I'm coming to sit here for an hour, this is what I'm going to do. I am just going to go and hit everybody up, right? Because that's engagement. And then when they see one of my spotlight posts, they're going to say, oh, there goes Chris again. And they're going to jump on board because they know that I return the favor, right? If I go to their post, I like it, I comment, and I share, that's 60 points. Okay, 60 points is not a lot of points. But at the same time, other people are commenting on their shared post. It's especially their spotlights, guys. Spotlight posts are very, we only get a certain amount of them. So we're going to go ahead and talk to, hey, Lorraine. Lorraine is huge. She's always out here. So you guys go and say hi. And then I'm going to like it. I'm going to say go pro. You guys got to go pro. And then I'm going to also put another comment in here. This is the one. This is the comment that I'm driving people to. The big fun comment that we're going for a record on our post. I'm going to go here to share. And I'm going to go paste. And I'm going to say everyone should So, Lorraine, if you see this, if you get mad at me, too bad, because I'm sending you people. And that's how you make friends, guys. Just go out there and have some fun with it. Have some fun. Let's keep digging here. Who we got? Boy, these names, you guys. Okay, Jesus. Welcome, my friend. Hey, so you guys go see Jesus. Revez? Revez, thank you so much. Looks like he's in Paris, or she's in Paris. Um, that is awesome. Uh, Joshua, how you doing, my friend? Let's see, Nancy, thank you so much. Eric's in the house. Every time I post something, Eric will be there to support me. And he reacted to my post, and I'm gonna enjoy his 10 points. Right? This is how we work it. Said hi to you guys. There's Lorraine again. Let's see who else we got here. Zaman. Renee, like I said, Renee's always out there. Wow, I don't know that how to say that name. Muhammad, how you doing again? There's Margarita Z, so y'all be sure to go see her. Connect, Caleb, how you doing? There's Michael. See some new people here. Mahomed. Oh man, I'm not good at these names, guys. I'm sorry. Nice. Oh, there's a spotlight post. Well, it's in a different language. Michael Jam. Love that name. Let's see who else we got here. Anne Marie, Maya. Okay, I'm even running out. We're gonna have to go to the view all. So so if you watch the beginning of the video, enjoy. These are just gonna be shout outs if you want to leave. But if you did post and comment, I'm gonna get to you guys as well. I'm not gonna be able to read some of these names, and I do. Please forgive me for that. Say, well, look, Margarita came. She said, bam, 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 bam. She is out there doing her thing. Oh, Trish, here's Trish, friend of mine. She put out a great post that I just shared. Learn how to pay off your debt, including a 30-year mortgage. I'm thinking yes. Thank you. So everybody, see the name. Go say hi to Trish. Send her a connection request. Bet you she will jump on board that. I love helping people grow their network. Let's see what else we got on here. Now, remember, guys, this just happened. This just happened not too long ago, within the hour of me posting that. This is all the reactions that I've got to that. So, hey, Catherine. She reacted to another post that I did. Carol, thank you so much. Dakota Lee, love the name. There's Tony. There's Chris. So anyway, that's how I do it, and I try to get everybody involved. There's Bo. Hey, Bo. And he's reacting to something that I reacted to his site, and we recently became connected. And this all this is within the hour, guys. All this is within the hour. Just me putting the post, engaging back and forth, and that's how you're going to build your network. Fun stuff. All right. And please take advantage of this. I want everybody to have a nice looking profile. I've got to go over here and do some more work here. Let's go to the comment section. View more comments. Now these are my special shout outs because I said if they commented, I was going to bring them some fun, and also I was going to send them a copy of this video. Jackie, as always, go see Jackie. She's got great stuff. She will hopefully connect with you. Look at all these reactions just to Jackie. And there's Maya again, Alvarez, Kabilia. I know I'm probably saying that wrong. He's out there. Look at that. Look at these reactions to these. Everybody knows them, right? These are the people to talk to. These are the people, and make sure that you interact with them back. There's Trish. And then I'm going to go back and put comments for every one of these, right? Hopefully they get some points for that too. Abby. I think Abby's new, maybe. Is she? Nope. But I'm going to like her anyway. And I'm going to go to everybody on here and go and play in their profiles and help them out as well too. David, I'm probably going to end up with some new people down here. Maria, Kate, hey Kate, everybody that's watching the video, come see these people. These are the people. Look, there's Renee again. Yep, she shows she's back. Look at that. She's already got 4 people underneath her. And so look, and everybody that comes to this post, they know how we operate here. All right. So look, they're all engaging with everybody else. So everybody's engaging with everybody, and that's just going to drive those points up for this month. And we're going to start off July in a positive note. So, and if you guys would like, join the share challenge. If you see this post, you're going to see this everywhere out there. But if you see this post, then come to the great Web Talk share off. We're going for 1,000. It can be done. We got 210 shares right here. A lot of people have wrote some really nice things to me on here. I get back to everybody I can when I sit down. Everybody who comments, I go. And look, someone's already commenting on my comment. So that's how we play the game, guys. Everybody have a great day. Promote Web Talk. Show the passion out there in the world. Let's get some more people in here and hit that 10 million mark. And if you haven't gone pro, think about it. Because once the app goes live in a couple of weeks or months or whenever it goes out, you're going to have a huge ability to bring in more people. And that means everybody underneath you will do the same. So look for that. I think the pro is having a special. There's a post floating around that you can get half off right now, half off your pro. So I know some of my people have taken advantage of that too. So I thank everybody that joined us today, and just go out there and have a great time. See you guys.